Come. Dhanalakshmi, come on the mat. Vinita, hands in Gyan Mudra. Okay, and feel relaxed. Shoulder open. Relax your shoulder, roll down and then relax. Okay, spine is straight. Sit tall and straight. Any meditative asana will go, but preferably Padmasana, Siddhasana, Sukhasana. If you don't know these things, let me know. Sit tall and straight, eyes closed, shoulders relax. Sit in dhyan for few seconds, few moments. Do the deep inhale, exhale, fill your stomach with air like balloon and squeeze like you touching your stomach to your spine. Try to concentrate in between your eyebrows. Let's do Om chanting followed by prayer. Do the deep inhale. Join your hands together. Sehna bhavatu Sehnau bhunaktu Seh Veeryam Karvavahe Tejas Vinavadhitamastu Mam Vidvishambhahe Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Hands in Gyan Mudra gently. Now you may go down. Come up slowly. We'll do first round of Kapalbhati. Have your and just concentrate on exhalation. Alright, on my count, when I say 1, exhale. When I say 2, inhale. Alright. So you Anita and Dhanalakshmi, today first round we'll do slowly so that I can see her movement. Alright? And Vinita, do it as per your own capacity. Do not compare yourself with the others. Alright? So every improvement, it's your own improvement. Alright? Okay, everything will come to you, but with the time, with the practice, with the time. Okay guys, so let's start. Eyes closed, spine straight. Look straight. Sorry, eyes closed. Inhale. Exhale. Always keep in your mind the inhalation is passive. Only the exhalation is active and you should hear and feel it loudly. Inhale. Exhale. Now on my count, inhale and start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Your stomach should come out while you are exhaling. It's like, see my stomach. Alright, you can see me, or should I come closer? Vinita, I'm asking you, can you see my stomach moving? Okay, so your stomach should also, when you are inhaling, inhale fully, exhale fully. Alright, start. Inhale and start. 1, 2, 1, 2. On my count, not too fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Forcefully 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Not too fast, Nita. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax, relax. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Bring back your breathing at the normal pace. Let's do first round of internal breath retention. Inhale. Exhale. Eyes closed only. No one will open eyes until Kapalbhati done. Inhale and hold for 15 seconds. Release slowly and gently with the control. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Bring back your breathing at the normal pace. Then we will move towards the second round of Kapalbhati. Always keep in your mind your spine should be straight and erect. Relax your shoulder. Let's do second round of Kapalbhati. Inhale and start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, slow Vinita. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, relax. Catch your breath. Let's move towards the second round of internal breath retention or Antarkumbhak. Inhale and hold for 20 seconds, or the time you can hold at least 15 seconds. Relax. Inhale bring back your breathing at the normal pace. Let it be normal. And slowly, slowly you may open your eyes. Relax. Now, just raise your hand up in the sky. Straight, eyes touching to your earlobe. Exhale towards your right hand side and give a good twist. The twist, you should feel that you are moving your shoulder. Again, inhale in the center, raise your hands up. Exhale towards left hand side. Once again, inhale in the center. Exhale to the right hand side. Twist, give a good twist to your spine. Inhale in the center. Twist to your left hand side. Twist more, Vinita. Twist more. Give a good twist. No, hold your. Everyone come in the center. Everyone except Vinita. Come in the center. Raise your hands up and go down and try to touch the mat with your. Anita, continue. Lengthen your spine. And Vinita, when you are twisting, just hold your hand. When I am twisting to my left hand side, hold left ankle. Sorry, knee. Left knee and then twist. Then only will get a good twist. You do it both sides, left and right, both sides. Okay, now inhale, raising the hands up in the sky and go down. Try to touch the forehead to the mat and lengthen your spine. Now slowly, slowly come up, everyone. Inhale and exhale. Rotate your shoulder. Vanita, can you please go a little behind? I can't see you completely. Yes, it's better. Okay, fine. Now everyone roll your shoulder clockwise, right direction. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do some Griva Shakti Vikasa. Inhale and exhale to right hand side. Slowly towards left hand side. So while you are coming in the center, you are inhaling. When you are going side to side, you are exhaling. Right, left, right, left. Slowly dynamic movement. Right, left. Do it, Vinita. Right, left. Come in the center. Inhale here, and while inhaling, raise your neck up. Look up in the ceiling. Down to your mat. Again, inhale up, down. Do along with me. Okay, don't wait for my instructions, just follow me. I'll see if you are doing wrong or your movement is not good. I'll correct you, Vinita. You got me? Okay, inhale up, down. Once again, up, down, up, down. One last time, up and down. Do the neck stretching. Okay. Now come in the center. Inhale here and rotate your clockwise your neck. While going up, inhale, coming down, exhale. Up. Give a big O with your neck. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a big O. Try to touch your chin to your chest, Vinita. Chin tuck to your chin. Yes. You should feel it some stress on your behind your back. Now come in the center and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now everyone, come stand on your mat. Let's do some easy warm up. If possible, please use the laptop for a wider vision. Yes. So you're having problem in your right leg. Okay. The sitting one will be issue, right? When you doing the sudden movement, then only you might be feeling, right? Okay. With the regular practice, you can handle it. Okay, and with the time you can remove it also. Okay, fine, girls. Everyone, let's do some hip rotation. Let's do it quickly. Inhale. Hip rotation. Make a big O with your hip. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again into anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the good morning one. Touch your feet, your shoulder and up. Your feet, shoulder and up. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Or even instead of hand up now, you just bend your back. Alright? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Place your hands on your buttock. It's like this. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Last 2. 1, 2, 3. Awesome, Anita. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Relax, relax. Let's do some heel up. Come on your toes. Toes up, down. Toes up, down. 1, 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might feel some burning on your calf, but do not worry. You are just strengthening your calves. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax. Relax. Now you can walk on your toes at the mat, front of your mat, then back. Come in your back. 1. Alright, girls. Once again, come in the center of your mat. Spread your leg wide, almost 3 to 4 feet. And do touch the alternate hand and toe touch. Alright? My second hand will be on the sky or towards the ceiling, and I'll look to the hand which is up in the ceiling. Alright? Just look at me if you cannot understand. Up. Okay? Say, girls. I can't hear your voice. Where is your voice, Anita Dhanalakshmi? Alright, let's start. It's a time. Right, but hands up in the ceiling. Right, very good. Go down. Touch your toe, Vinita. You are not touching. Go down, go down, go down. More down. Spread your leg. Vinita, spread your leg. More. Don't worry, you will not fall down. Trust me. Okay, spread your leg and make balance on your buttock. Okay, keep in your mind, your balance is not on your foot. Your balance is on your buttock. Then come down and then let's start with me. Very good, Dhanalakshmi. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are jealous of her. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, everyone. Relax. Come in the center, relax. Bring your back leg together and walk. Grab your breath. Dhanalakshmi, I'm proud of you. You are making everyone jealous of you. Okay, fine. Again, let's do Sarvang Pushti Asana, girls. After this Sarvang Pushti, our warm up will be done. Alright, fine. Make Adi Mudra of your right hand. How will it's making a fist. Thumb inside and then fold your finger. This mudra is called Adi Mudra or fist. At the same position for 3 to 4 feet. 3 to 4 feet. Now make Adi Mudra of your right hand. Hands up. 1 second. Let me just. Alright. Okay. Adi Mudra. Hands up here. And right hand. Adi Mudra. Both hand actually. But my right hand, because I will start from the right hand side. It's a straight. No elbow bending. Alright. And the left hand will be behind it. It will like this. Okay. First right hand, then second left hand on the back. Okay, fine. Inhale in the center and exhale in the down. Change the hand movement. Now left will in the front. Come up. Come in the left side. Change the hand movement. Come up. Exhale in the right hand side. Alright. This is called Sarvang Pushti. It will give you a good warm up if you are doing the quality wise. Dynamic movement. Let's do everyone with me. Dhanalakshmi, hold on. Then when I need your this strength now, you will exhaust it. Okay? Don't do it. Overdo of everything is wrong. Do the thing in balance. Alright. Chalo guys. Okay. Hands in Adi Mudra. Right hand front. Left hand in the back. Fine. Inhale in the center, chest out and back, buttock back. Inhale and exhale down. Here change hand, come up, left hand side. Change hand position, come up, right hand side. Again change your hand, up, left hand side, come up, right hand side. Come up, left hand side. Come up, right hand side. Let me see you girls what you are doing. Alright, fine. Do not forget to change the head movement, Dhanalakshmi. Alright? Okay, good. Do it generously. Spread your legs slightly. You both, Dhanalakshmi and Madhuri. You both having enough experience. Spread your legs wide. You both wide. Girls, you don't need to work on your splits. Wide your leg. More. Cover. More slightly. You can. Who said you can't? You. Now, especially for you, you will. Now do it. Come up right now. On my count, it's a quick one, not the easy one. Let's girls start from right. 1, down, up, down, left, up, right, up, down, left, up, right, up, down, left, up, right, down, up, right. Once you are done with left, come in the center, relax. Hands in the side way, close your mouth and breathe from your nose. Everyone on your left leg, hands like this. It's like I'm going to hit someone. Inhale here, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Jump. Anita, jump. You are not hopping. Then Madhuri, no hopping. It's not like not jumping one side to one side. Continue, girls. Continue. Hands movement is like different. Back, front, back, front, back. Very good, Dhanalakshmi. Way to go, awesome. More vibrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now stand at your own place. Eyes closed, mouth closed, and breathe from your nose. Breathe from your nose. Bring back your normal breathing. Bring back. Catch your breath. Okay, now everyone's just sit in Malasana. Directly from here, sit in Malasana. Sit in Malasana. Okay? You have any issue in sitting Malasana, Vinita? It's a square position. It's like someone is sitting in the Indian style potty. That's it. Sit down. Now, inhale, exhale here. Alright. Now, just you are sitting on your toes. Do you have block, yoga block, or some, if you have a good cushion of a good height, bring that. Vinita. No, it's not the right way. You will hurt your these muscles, calf muscles. It will pain by the end of evening. It's not the right way to sit. Say we are doing abhyas or we are doing yoga or practice because we want to heal our body, to work in a better way. It's not, I don't want because of me you hurt yourself in some or other way. Okay? Bring back some mota wala cushion. Okay, fine. Girls, now hands in the center, right hand in the center, in the both leg, center of your leg, and twist to your right hand side. Very good. Now change your hand again to your left hand side. Bring back your right hand in the center. Twist to your right, bend to your right hand side. Bring your hands, left leg in the center. Again, let's continue this 10 times. Okay, girls? Anita, please go down, slightly more down. Okay? Slightly more down. Okay. Yes. So, Vinita, the point is that you will not sit in your toes. Alright? So, right now you will not feel anything. But with the time, if you sit like this only, you will feel pain in your ankle and in your calf. Because your ankle muscles and calf muscles will overwork here. So we don't want to that. Place some cushion. It's like, think like I'm using this cushion. If in case I'm not able to sit on this. It's okay. With the time, you will be able to sit on both your hand, both your foot. Alright? Sit like this only. Okay? If you are not. And place your hand in the center, right hand, and bend down towards right hand side. Left hand towards right hand side. Girls, once you are done, relax in Malasana. 2, 3, what? Good. 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now come here. Come here. Okay. Anita, oh sorry, Vinita, you will use your cushion or block. Okay? Until you feel you are not comfortable sitting on your heel or complete foot. Okay? Always use this support. Alright. Okay, girls. Now for you. You 3. How you were doing? Do first hand rotation. Up and down. right, left, right, left, right, left. Open your chest. All right. Yeah, that's what, right? Yes, yes, it's normal only. It's okay. Yes, if it's not touching. Right now we are just doing the movement. We are not going in the final stage. So you can do it without the belt also. Alright. Okay, now here. Let's start from the right hand side. If you are doing 5-6 round of back side shoulder movement. Done? Done everyone? Show me? Yes. Very good. Quickly do the quick one. Don't force your body. If you are not able to do, it's okay, don't do it. But at least let me know that you are not able to reach this asana or to reach to this position, so that I'll give you some modification. Alright girls, everyone on your in your malasana, everyone please, in your malasana. Now bring your, I'm starting from my right hand only. Bring your right hand in between your both the thighs. Bring it close. Now do the internal rotation here and hold it. If you are not able to hold, then use your belt. Use your belt. Anything you have. Right now I am not having belt with me. It's a resistance belt. Okay, I'll use it anyway. Who? I'm explaining now. I'm explaining. Sit in malasana. Where you hurting? Where hurting? Calf. Spread your leg slightly. Spread your leg slightly. Sit with open foot. Open leg. If you sit closely, you will hurt slightly. Then open your leg. Okay. Now do the internal rotation. Do the internal hand rotation. No. Yes, Anita, very good. Very good. That's it. And hold it. 1 second. Which one hand? Right hand is inside. Can't you see my hand? It's like this only. Inside of my right leg. Right knee. Okay? And then interlock your hand. See? Alright? It's not difficult. Difficult is when you don't know the technique. See, mobility could be the problem. Strength could be the problem. Or the flexibility could be the problem. You can have different problem. But not all problem together. Getting me? Definitely your body will tell you when you are not reaching to that particular asana. Girls, with me, will count for 10 seconds. Okay? Please join. Then how will make easy if you are not able to hold this? Now, bring your knees just below your underarm. Below your underarm. Use the belt if you need, or if you can hold like this, then it's okay. And hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax slowly. Relax slowly. Madhuri, one correction for you. You need to open your chest. Okay? How you will open your chest? You will not go down while sitting in this. Now, while you try to come little up. Okay? Fine. Now, let's do from the left side also. Vinita, at least try. If it's not happening, it's okay. है ना? Nothing harm in trying. If you can't do, it's okay. Fine. Now let's try from the left. Okay. Left side also. and look up. Very good. Anita, look up. Look up. एक second, Vinita, please. Huh? Very good, Dhanalakshmi. Very good. Look up. Open your chest. Open your chest. Very nice. Madhuri, do not struggle. Do not struggle. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Do not struggle. Very good, girls. Hold for 10 seconds. Then release. Come in Malasana. Okay, Madhuri, how we are doing? See where you will hold belt in your right hand. In your right hand. Now, once you have holded your, if you are still feel not comfortable, come on your toe. Okay, modification for you, so that your height will be lifted. Now do it. Okay, lift your, and then from here throw belt from your right hand and then try to grab it. Once you feel you have hold it, then come back in Balasana and then hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 girls. Anita, no cheating please. I asked you to sit in Malasana. Okay, Malasana everyone. You could able to do it, Dhanalakshmi, Madhuri, or you are still struggling? Yeah, because your body is not warm up. Understand it. One day I told you every stage of class is necessary, even the Om chanting. I know. So now do not compare yourself, because your body is not enough warm up, so your muscles are not open. When it's not open, they are not ready to stretch. Okay, so just adjust yourself. All right, from here have Malasana everyone please. Malasana, from Malasana directly come in Naukasana. No touching to the floor. No touching to the floor. Very good. Come here. Hold for 15 seconds, everyone. Vinita, try to do at least 10 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dhanalakshmi, come up. 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Relax and lie down. Lie down on your back. Dhanalakshmi, you are exhausted now. I need strength now in holding your breath or holding the asana. Okay, girls? Lie down on your back. Try to touch. Relax, okay, first. Relax for some time. Catch your breath. Then we will move to asana. Towards asanas. Okay, now which asana we'll do? We will be moving towards Setu Bandhasana. For Setu Bandhasana, fold your leg. Fold your leg. Touch your foot to your buttock. Buttock. Buttock, buttock. Very good, everyone. Anita, very good. Good posture. Let me see. Madhuri, very good. Okay, now from here, hand just next to your buttock or next to your foot. Now while inhaling, lift your buttock up. Lift your buttock up. Keep in your mind, your knee should not go out. Okay, come down everyone. Now on my count, everyone will hold for 15 seconds, but twice. 2 times we will be doing it. Okay, girls, let's start. Inhale, lift your buttock up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up. Dhanalakshmi, up. 12, Anita, up. 13, 14, 15, relax. Relax. Open your leg, spread your leg. Spread your leg. Relax. Catch your breath. We'll do one more round of it. Okay. Enough. Inhale now. Come back in Setu Bandhasan position. Leg fold. Touch to your buttock. Hand just next to your foot or buttock. Inhale and lift your buttock up. 1. Let me see you are 2, 3, 4. Buttock up. 5. Very good, Dhanalakshmi. Vinita, buttock up. More of it. Now hold it. 6, 7. Buttock up, Dhanalakshmi. Madhuri, up. 9. Anita, up. More up. Lift up. Lift up. 11. Lift your buttock up, Vinita. Please. Yes, very good. More 5 of it. 1, 2. Very good. Very good, Dhanalakshmi. Very good, Anita. Madhuri, lift up. 5. Relax. 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 Spread your leg. Spread your leg and relax. Relax. Try to touch your complete spine to the mat. And how you will touch? You can fold your knee, spread your back, lift your slightly buttock up. Now touch your complete spine to the mat and relax. Stretch your leg. Now girls, again fold your leg. Let's do some movement. Lift your leg up in 90-degree angle up towards the ceiling. Very good. Dhanalakshmi, not this much up. It's just this. Very good. Now we will touch to the mat. To the right, to the left. And do the complete body movement. Just do not forget that your shoulder will be on the mat. That's it. You are rolling. You are giving it good stretch or massage to your spine. Open your shoulder. Both the shoulder will be on the mat. 10 times. 1, 2, 3. This is last. Asan girls, do it quickly. 4, 5. Be happy. 6, 7. Touch the mat. 8. It will relax your spine. 9, 10. Relax. Relax. Relax in Savasana. Enjoy. You all have earned it. Relax. Do not forget to do the deep inhale and exhale. The more oxygen you are bringing in your body, you will feel more relaxed and your muscles will be open. Open your hands in the sky. Toe down to the mat. You can lie down, Vinita. Relax. You can lie down. Just relax. It's Savasana time.